Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by enabling your phone hotspot because the phone will act as a simple router. This is faster than waiting to set up new hardware. Once done, make sure mobile data is active and not capped by your carrier. Now create a clear SSID and a strong password on the phone. This prevents accidental joins. Then go to the TV network settings, scan for your SSID, select it, and enter the password so the TV can start using your phone's internet immediately. Next, configure the hotspot band because 4 GHz offers better range, while 5 GHz gives higher throughput. Pick the one that matches your TV location. Make sure to set a mobile data limit or a tethering timer so your plan does not incur unexpected charges. Also, check advanced hotspot options like client isolation and SSID broadcast. Disable broadcast only if you will manually enter network details on the TV. These steps make the link reliable and protect your... To finish, test the connection by streaming a short clip or running a speed test so you know if the link supports video. Once done, keep the phone on a charger during use because hotspotting draws battery and may cause thermal throttling. Make sure to update TV firmware for compatibility and enable WPA2 or better on the hotspot to secure traffic. If something goes wrong, try toggling the hotspot and forgetting the network on the TV. This often clears IP conflicts and reestablishes the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.